Hello friends, how nice it is if reduced fat milk yogurt turns thicker, same as whole milk yogurt. Will be absolutely amazing and such a game changer. Most people believe that thick yogurt needs full fat milk, but it's not true. Even with reduced fat, you can make yogurt thicker. All you need is reduced fat milk, starter, and right method. No need of thickness, no added ingredients, no cream and no straining. Totally natural and healthy. So here I'm to show reduced fat milk thick yogurt making the regular way as well as instant pot method. If you are watching your weight, calories, cholesterol and prefer lighter dairy, this method is much useful for you. If you wonder why reduced fat milk is good, reduced fat milk percent denotes milk fat weight. So 2% milk is 2% fat, 1% milk is 1% fat, whereas whole milk contains approximately 3.25% fat. Reduced fat milk has fewer calories and less saturated fat, so milk will be dilute. Also, vitamin A and D fortified to balance. Here is the key thing. Protein, calcium and lactose remain almost the same, and hence reduced fat milk is a smart choice for Weight Watchers, being low-fat option. Let's get started with yogurt making. The secret to thick yogurt from low-fat milk is protein concentration, not fat. And the easiest way to concentrate protein is by boiling the milk correctly. So first take a heavy bottom vessel. Add little water first to prevent milk burning at bottom. Pour 2% milk and keep boiling on medium heat. Don't use the high flame. You can use 1% milk or fat-free milk as well. But milk will be too dilute to set thick yogurt naturally. Needs thickeners. Milk comes to boil in few minutes. If you notice, there is no need to overboil and reduce the milk quantity. Just boil 2 to 3 minutes extra time than whole milk. Turn off the stove and let it cool down. If you prefer boiling milk in instant pot without spilling and babysitting, check my video. Next step is to cool the boiled milk until warm, ideally around 110 Fahrenheit, not lukewarm. If you want to cool faster, give ice bath. Take a wide bowl, add ice cubes, then water. Place the trivet. Place milk pot on top. This way milk cools down to warm temperature quickly. Let's see regular way of yogurt making. Use a steel bowl, holds warmth well and helps fermentation. Since this is reduced fat milk and not overboiled, here is the trick. Add little yogurt starter and mix well. Take little more starter and spread thin on sides. This helps cultures distribute evenly to ferment nicely. Now add warm milk into the bowl and mix well with starter. Also you can add red chili or green chili to ferment well. Next place it in a big bowl with warm water at bottom and cover with lids. The idea is to keep in a warm place, like preheated air fryer or oven with lights on, or close to warm stove, inside the hot pot, or next to portable heater. Notice bowl needs to be covered always. Yogurt will be set a little longer than usual time, depending on your room temperature. After fermenting, you can see yogurt is super thick, same as that of whole milk. Let's see instant pot method. Same like regular way, spread yogurt starter to bottom and sides of the bowl. Now add warm milk into the bowl and mix well with starter. Add one slit chili, either red or green, to ferment faster. I'm going to stack 2 bowls. Instant pot with yogurt mode incubates well with 110 Fahrenheit to ferment nicely. The bowl doesn't need to be steel only. Milk is ready to ferment. Add 1 cup water in inner part. If you want even more faster way, add hot water to keep warm. Then place the trivet. Place first bowl carefully. I'm going to show one interesting thing here. The difference with covered bowl while fermenting. I'm using lid on bottom bowl to stack and no lid on top bowl. We'll see the difference shortly. Another thing is instant pot lid is not needed for yogurt as it's not pressure based. So I'm using transparent lid to see through progress. Set yogurt mode for 8 hours. You can adjust timer as needed later. After yogurt is set, you can see how well yogurt is done. If you notice, the top bowl without lid caught more water from condensation. This is not the water from milk. Keep a kitchen napkin on top and let it absorb this extra water. As you see now, no more water and it's super thick with perfect consistency. Bottom yogurt bowl with lid is thicker and no water is seen, even though it's same boiled milk. So always keep lid if you don't want runny yogurt. Will be so amazing to set low fat yogurt thicker this way. Enjoy yogurt with reduced fat milk the same way as whole milk. Healthy and tasty yogurt with low fat milk. Hope you like my tips and ideas. Stay tuned for many more healthy and tasty options. Thanks for watching.